particular problem. So you can just set some values by default. Okay, so we'll just see that part of it. I'll take this button itself. Okay, this is not working, that because of this, then we'll see that later. So now I just wanted to load some values. Okay, so why? Because the default values I'm just using, I'll just give load value. So I just give load value. So I'm just trying to display this particular load value. After this, writing this here, I'll just set give. Here also I'll type load values. Okay, so now the next part of it is I need to go to the component class. So here I will just write load values. Not value or values, I have given load value. Okay, so load value. So here I'm copying this. Okay. So here what I'll do is I'll just declare one thing where I can just try to use this particular value to just check. So I'm just using let. I just declare one variable. So I'll just tell user details. And this is okay, user details. Okay, so I'll just declare this user details, and here what I'll do is I'll just try to specify the username. So username, I'll just give it as so I'll just give this as username as working tree, and then I'll just have terms.
Equals to.
One second. Terms. Terms is equal to, I'll just give it as true. Okay, so terms is equal to true. And now what I'm going to do here is okay, so and this part of it is I just wanted to display this part of it is, then I will just tell that form value dot, I'll just use set value. Okay, set value. Here what I'll do is I'll just use that user details. Okay, so
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, ma.
मैम this dot नहीं आएगा और मैम colon should be there after username. Ma'am, this dot will be removed. Ma'am, equals to.
So what I did is I'm just trying to use let user detail is equal to that is I'm just passing this to value form dot set value. I'm just specifying this by default some values to be displayed there. So one is walking tree, and for this I'm making this as true. Okay, we'll just see that when I click on this node values, you can just see that it is displaying walking tree and it has been set to true here. So these are the few things which you can be using with your template driven forms, but you can just use this template driven forms when there is not much of your complexity is not there, then you can just go ahead with your template driven forms. But if you have a lot of complexity in the forms which you are trying to design, so it is better always you just go for reactive forms. Okay, so is this part clear? Any query on this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.